Morning students, today we are learn OC subject business service insurance. Subtopic we are learn today here principles of insurance. Last lecture we are learn meanings, introductions and basic terms of insurance. Today we are learn principles of insurance. Principles of insurance, there is the first principles we are learn today here, principles of utmost good faith. Principles of utmost good faith in all type of insurance they are applicable. They are life insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance. Their contract, both the party must have utmost good faith toward each other. Both the party means insurers and insurers. Insurers means policy holder and insurers means insurance company. The insurance and insurers must disclose all material fact clearly, complete and correctly. It must be required. Insured send the clearly, completely and correctly informations are sent. It must be required. The insurers must provide relevant information regarding terms and conditions. And of the contract. Failure to provide complete, correct and clear information may lead to non-settlement of claim. This is the principles of utmost good faith. For examples, Mr. Rajesh has not provided information regarding his heart surgery at the time of taking policy. After his death, sometime after his death, insurance company come to know about his fact. Insurance company come to about this fact for heart surgery. As Mr. Rajesh has not provided correct and complete information at the time of taking policy, insurance company can refuse to give compensation to his family member. That cancel the compensations. This is the say for the principles of utmost good faith. It must be required complete, clear and correct informations. These principles are say principles of utmost good faith. Another principles are principles of insurable interest. Principles of insurable interest means some financial interest in the subject matter. The insured must have insurable interest in the subject matter of insurance. There are the different subject matter: life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance. Which policy we are upon, what subject, that the depending for this principles of insurable interest. When the existing of that subject matter put the insureds in financial benefits, whereas non-existing of subject matter put it into the financial loss. For examples here, a person has insured in his own life and property. If life insurance, the insurable interest in the life insureds. Insurable interest must exist at the time of taking a life insurance policy. They are the one subject for life insurance policy. Another ones, a businessman has insurable interest in the goods he deal and in the property of business. In fire and marine insurance, the insurable interest must be present at the time of taking policy and at the time of occurrence of loss. That's the principle of insurable interest. It is a financially interest in the subject matters. These principles are says in insurance interest, some financial interest in subject matter. Another principles of insurance, principles of indemnity. Indemnity means a guarantee or assures to put insured in same financial position in which he was immediately prior to the happening of the uncertain event. Any accident, thefts, fires, whatever are any uncertain event, they are happening to these principles. Immediately prior to the happenings of the uncertain event. This principle is applicable to fire insurance and marine insurance and general insurance policy. It is not applicable to life insurance. It is not contact with life insurance, as loss by life can never be measured in monetary terms. Your life is lost for 2 lakh. There is the never measures in the monetary terms. For examples, if property is insured for rupees 5 lakh and if the loss by fire is 3 lakhs, then the insurers can claim compensation of rupees 3 lakh only. For example, this is the one examples of principles of indemnity. We can't say for life insurance 5 lakh rupees your life and you are only to damage for 3 lakh rupees your loss for life. We can't say for any measure for monetary terms. Therefore, there is not applicable for principles of indemnity. It is not applicable to life insurance policy. Another one, principles of subrogations. The principles of subrogation is applicable to all contract of indemnity. As per this principle, after the insured has compensated for loss due to damage of the property insured, then the right of ownership of such property pass on to the insurers. There is the principles of subrogation. For examples, Mr. Ramesh household goods were carrying in ABCD transport service. They got damaged due to driver's negligence and lost his rupees 45,000 to Mr. Ramesh. The insurance company can collect that amount from ABCD transport. Is the principles of subrogation. Next principles of contributions. This principles is applicable to all contract of indemnity. Same for principles subrogations. There is also the contract of principles of indemnity. When the insured has taken out more than one policy for the same risk or subject matter. One subject, one property we are upon more than one policy. Under this principle, the insured can claim the compensation only to the extent of actual loss, either from one insurance company or all the insurance companies. If the one insurers pay full compensation, the insurance can claim proportions amount from other insurers from whom insured has taken policies. Is the principles of contributions. We are upon for 3 insurance company policy we are upon for same properties. They are the distributed for this compensation amount for ratio. For example, here Mr. Jones insured his property worth rupees 1 lakh with 2 insurers, AIG Limited for rupees 90,000 and MetLife Limited for rupees 60,000. John actually property destroys in worth rupees 60,000. Then Mr. John can claim the full loss of rupees 60,000 either from AIG Limited or MetLife Limited, or he can claim rupees 36,000 from AIG Limited and rupees 24,000 from MetLife Limited. Total collected 60,000 to 2 companies. There is the principles of contributions. Another principle is principles of mitigation of loss. Insureds must always try to minimize the loss of the property. In case of uncertain event, the insured must take all possible measures and necessary steps to control and reduce losses. For example, a house of Mr. Jayesh is on fire due to electric short circuit. In case Mr. Jayesh cannot remain passive and must try his best to save his house from fire. Mr. Jayesh must be active and cannot watch his house burn just because house is insured. This is the principles of mitigation of losses. Another principles is principles of causa proxima. Principle of causa proxima means when a loss is caused by more than one causes, then proximate causes of loss should be taken into consideration to decide the liabilities of the insurance company. The property is insured against some causes and not against all causes. Only paid compensation amount paid for only one causes, not all causes. In case of cash, the proxima causes of loss is to be found. If the proximate cause means nearest causes is the one which is insured against the insurance company is bound to pay compensations and vice versa. For example, a house was insured against the risk of thefts. There was a theft in the house and before leaving, the house was set on fire by thieves. Now there are two causes of loss, thefts and fire, and the nearest causes of loss by fire. As the house was insured against thefts and not by fires, the insured will not get any compensation from insurance company for loss by fire. He will get the compensation for the property loss by thefts. This is the principles of causa proxima. Today we are learn here principles of insurance. There are the 7 principles of insurance. First, insurance principles of utmost good faith. Second, principle of insurable interest. Next, principles of indemnity, principles of subrogations, principles of contributions, principles of mitigation of loss, and principle of causa proxima. If any doubts, contact my personal number. Now, assignment questions. Write down principles of insurance. Thank you.